Movement involving professionals and various organizations from international communities, advocates for church and political leaders have urged church leaders in Kenya to spearhead peace initiatives led by His Eminence Dr. Professor Gadu Krishan, who is the chairman and founder of Academy of Universal Global Peace, AUGP, urged religious leaders to be at the forefront to foster community dialogue, promote reconciliation, and mediate conflicts, which are crucial for creating a peaceful environment where sustainable development encompassing socio-economic of the country. They urge on the youth to shun away from posting negative things on social media and instead to use the same space to preach peace and build an inclusive society.
And the theme of this conference is raising standard. The agenda is to raise the standard in the body of Christ. And therefore we have great leaders.
It's because we believe that there is need to bring a shift in attitude, in the mindset, and understanding the best way of bringing direction to the next generation. Secondly, it is also of great importance that we talk about theological education. You know, many pastors are in ministry, but they are not trained.
So why there should be conflict, denominational barriers and partition walls on this earth planet? Let us dwell in peace. We are the role models.
Now, police in Narok have arrested two suspects who pretended to